What's up guys, and welcome back on a new video on my channel. And I just uploaded a video 3 hours ago where I talked about Bitcoin, how it will do, what will happen next, and let's see what I said.
Either what we do, we can, the thing is, the good thing about it, we have a little downside potential, right? We just wait for the level of maybe 113,000. You can already start now loading up, depends on.
We just wait on the level of 113,000. We can already load up now, and let's see what Bitcoin did, okay? Let's see what Bitcoin did, guys. We were here at 13,500, where I said you can load up now, okay? Went a little bit up, 114,000, and then exactly, guys, you see, even bro, on the exact, number, $113,084, guys. This is insane, and yeah, that's where we just got in at 113,000, bought more at 113,300, and we pumped up, right? That's the same we saw on Ethereum. That's the second bottom I was talking about, but it doesn't need to necessarily be the final one. Yeah, what we can do is come up, come a little bit down. We see it pumping a little more, then hit, maybe here a lower low, basically, but it's still a lower high overall, right? To the 4,130 level, and then we pump. Okay, that might happen as well, but depends on the market. So I loaded up exactly on this level here of $4,160 right now, and we have a good, good position. We'll buy more at 4,120 approximately, and stop loss are tight. Stop loss at 4,060. So the downside, basically, right now, we have bought at 4,160 something, and we'll rebuy more at 4,120. So the average would be at 4,140 something. And yeah, the downside with the 20x leverage, 2%, which means 40% downside, guys. 40% downside for, if this is the ultimate bottom, guys. I'm telling you, if this is the ultimate bottom, before we go to different levels like 5K, from 4.8K, 14%, which means on a 20x leverage, 28% to, is it 28? Yeah, it's 28. Wait, no, it's 280%, guys. I'm sorry, 280% to 600% return, right? Against 40%. And the chance that we succeed with this trade, I'd say, are maybe between 60 and 70%. We also might, hit a lower low on especially altcoins. I don't believe we do that in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is more likely to, go higher from here on. I don't necessarily think we now might go lower, but still, stop loss at 111,800. So once we hit a lower low, then we're out, because the thesis states that if we hit the lower low, we might collapse down, right? So we need to stay above exactly the 112K level. That's the level we're looking for, staying above, okay? And until that, we still might load up on, if we hit or if we reach 112,500 again, or $112,300, then I might be loading up some more. Right now it looks good, and once we break this trend line, we will fly, okay? We'll see Bitcoin flying. Maybe we retest it, we bounce back a little bit down to this level again, or maybe a little lower, then we bounce up, we retest it, and boom, we're flying within a couple of days to 120, 125K plus, I'm telling you guys. So that's why we also bought a little bit of ton on this dip here, but ton, I just bought half of the amount, because I think we really could see here another retest on these lows, right? Because I feel like the market makers are very into ton right now. They want to wash out as many people as possible. That's why I set another limit order at 3.199. Basically, I loaded up half here, and the other half will be at 3.199. And yeah, that's what we are about to do. Solana, also bought Solana with stop loss at 174.9. So slightly below the low, as I told you. We might get stopped out. It is what it is then. But we bought here a good amount. And, we prepare ourselves for a little lower way, but we'll see. You know, we'll be patiently. We don't go all in now, but we size in decent. Okay, maybe with 50 to 70% of our portfolio, or actually the money we want to trade with. That's what we size in right now, and we'll keep it patient. If we, you know, if we pump now and we see it pumping, breaking out this resistance trend line, the bull flag, it's good. You know, we bought money. If we come down lower, we can buy more, because the thesis stays that we'll pump pretty soon, the next 1 to 2 days. We just need to cover for, I'd say, yeah, today's the 20th of August, okay? Until the 22nd of August, I really think if we didn't hit a lower low, then we will pump. Okay, so we have 2 days that we need to survive, I'd say, right? Still need to stay very focused to keep our positions good, looking good and alive, so that we make a lot of money on the upside, okay? That's my take on that quick update. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like, leave a follow, a subscription, leave a comment if you like to. Ask me any questions you want, no problem, I'll answer them probably. And yeah, so here guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and bye.